The renal capsule is the outer covering of the kidney. It is a thin and fibrous layer of connective tissue. On ultrasound, it appears as a thin, bright echogenic line. It forms a sharp and clear outer border of the renal parenchyma. The capsule is very rigid. When the kidney becomes obstructed and swells, it cannot stretch. This is why obstruction causes severe pain. Just beneath the capsule lies the renal cortex. The cortex forms the outer part of the kidney tissue. Renal columns are extensions of the cortex. They project inward and separate the renal pyramids of the medulla. On ultrasound, the cortex looks smooth and uniform. It appears hypoechoic or isoechoic compared to the liver on the right and the spleen on the left. Deep to the cortex is the renal medulla. The medulla is made up of cone-shaped structures called renal pyramids. These pyramids are triangular or conical in shape. They lie between the renal columns. On ultrasound, the medulla is very dark. It is anechoic and is considered the most anechoic area in the abdomen. At the center of the kidney is the renal sinus. The renal sinus is a fat-filled cavity. Think of it as a room in the middle of the kidney. It contains the renal pelvis, calyces, blood vessels, nerves, lymphatics, and fat. On ultrasound, it appears as a bright central echogenic area. The large amount of fat and vessels makes it hyperechoic compared to the renal parenchyma. It is one of the brightest structures seen in the abdomen. Renal calyces are cup-shaped structures. They collect urine from the renal pyramids. The minor calyces join together to form major calyces. These then come together to form the renal pelvis. The renal pelvis is a funnel-shaped hollow structure. It collects urine from the calyces and directs it into the ureter. It is part of the urinary drainage system. Normally, it is collapsed and not visible on ultrasound. It becomes visible only when dilated. The renal hilum is the concave area on the medial side of the kidney. This is where the renal pelvis, blood vessels, nerves, and lymphatic vessels enter and leave the kidney. The ureters usually cannot be seen on ultrasound. They become visible only when they are dilated.